Today we will discuss energy ratings and how they can help homeowners in Coachella Valley make informed decisions about their home's energy performance. By understanding these ratings, homeowners can make choices that lead to lower utility bills and a reduced environmental footprint. Let's first understand the types of energy ratings, such as SEER, AFUE, and ENERGY STAR. These rating systems are developed by organizations like the Residential Energy Services Network, which takes into account various factors like heating, cooling, water heating, and other energy sources. Let's start by discussing SEER, or Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. The SEER rating measures the efficiency of an air conditioning system, calculated by dividing its cooling output during a typical season by the total energy input in watt-hours. In simpler terms, it tells you how much cool air your air conditioner can produce per unit of electricity consumed. A higher SEER rating indicates better energy efficiency and lower operating costs for homeowners in the Coachella Valley. The U.S. Department of Energy has set minimum standards for SEER ratings, depending on geographical location. However, these values may change over time as technology advances and new regulations are introduced. When selecting an AC system, it is important to bear in mind the SEER rating. Keep in mind that while higher-rated units may have a higher upfront cost, they can save you more on energy bills over time and provide better overall performance. Additionally, many energy-efficient AC systems qualify for rebates or tax credits, further offsetting their initial costs. Now let's move on to the AFUE rating, or Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. This rating measures the efficiency of a furnace in converting fuel to energy. An AFUE rating is expressed as a percentage, representing the ratio of heat output to the energy consumed by your furnace. Investing in a furnace with a high AFUE rating offers several benefits for homeowners, including lower energy bills, better comfort and indoor air quality, eco-friendly operation, and potential rebates or tax credits. Choosing the right AFUE-rated furnace is crucial for maximizing efficiency and cost savings while maintaining optimal comfort levels within your Coachella Valley home. Consider consulting an experienced HVAC professional who can help guide you through this process, based on factors like climate conditions, house size, insulation levels, and budget constraints. Finally, let's talk about ENERGY STAR rating. ENERGY STAR is a voluntary program developed by EPA, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, to help consumers save money and protect the environment through energy-efficient products and practices. ENERGY STAR products meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the EPA and can help you save money on utility bills while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In conclusion, understanding energy ratings is important for homeowners in the Coachella Valley to make informed decisions when purchasing HVAC systems or other energy-efficient products. By choosing products with high ratings, you can save money on energy bills and reduce your environmental footprint. For more information, visit us online or call us at 7608952621.